make it one light, the green light is on, so no gas detected, and normally closed side is always on. When the gas is detected, then normally open side will be turned on. So there's 3 wire here. So I'm using this is 12 volt DC. If you use it 240 volt, you must be very careful. After you turn it on the power, you should not be touching this terminal, this area, because the AC voltage can kill us. So this is very dangerous. So the wiring side will be the same diagram. So this is 12 volt power supply, positive coming to in common here, and the negative wire coming here, and one negative into one side of the load, and another negative